This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Eason. Why wait to build? This home is almost brand new and only lived in for 6 months. This Jennings floor plan comes fully loaded with a screened-in Lanai front and back, upgrade quartz counters, backsplash, whole house water system and partially furnished for your convenience. The large backyard provides plenty room for a pool and home has been professionally cleaned so you can move right in. Cascades at River Hall is a fabulous 55-plus community offering lots of social activities and events with great amenities like a state-of-the-art fitness center, heated community pool and hot tub, tennis, pickleball and bocce courts, all your lawn care needs, full cable and internet and ADT security system, all for the low HOA fee of $321 a month. Come see what Cascades has to offer, you are going to love it here. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.